All right. Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes I do. I enjoy rainy weather when I stay home with coffee and music. What about you?
Honestly, I don't like rain very much because traffic becomes terrible where I live.
That's another perfect present simple sentence. Traffic becomes terrible.
See? Present simple is everywhere. The more you notice it, the easier English becomes.
And listeners, don't forget to practice speaking out loud. Listening is important, but speaking builds confidence faster.
Absolutely. Your brain learns differently when your mouth actually produces the words.
Let's give everyone a quick speaking challenge.
Great idea. All right, everyone, repeat after us slowly. I wake up early. I drink coffee in the morning. My friend studies English. We watch movies together.
Excellent. Now try changing the sentences. I wake up late. I drink tea at night. My brother studies online. We watch football together.
Wonderful practice. Small sentence changes help your brain understand grammar patterns naturally.
Exactly. And patterns are very important in language learning.
Before we finish this part, let's give listeners a fun comment challenge.
Yes! Write 3 present simple sentences about your daily life in the comments.
Maybe something about your job, your hobbies, your family, or your morning routine.
And don't worry too much about mistakes. Every comment is practice, and every practice step helps you improve.
That's right. English learning is a journey, not a race.
And we're very happy to practice together with all of you here on Simple.
Honestly, that last sentence sounds very familiar in many families.
Very true. And listeners, here's something important. Try to connect grammar with your own life. Don't only memorize random textbook examples.
Yes. Instead of saying, Tom plays tennis, try saying, my cousin plays football every weekend. That feels more personal and easier to remember.
Great advice. Personal sentences stay in your memory longer because they connect to real emotions and real experiences.
Let's practice together with more natural examples. I check my phone too much. She spends hours on social media. He drinks tea before bed. We eat dinner together every evening. They visit their grandparents every month.
Those sound very real and conversational. And listeners, notice how simple these sentences are. You don't need difficult vocabulary to sound natural in English.
Exactly. Simplicity is powerful. Short, clear sentences often sound more natural than long, complicated ones.
Here's another useful thing about present simple. We also use it when talking about feelings and opinions.
Oh, yes. For example, I think this movie is great. I believe you. She loves cats. He hates cold weather.
Let's make this.
One thing I really love about the present simple tense is that it helps people talk about their real life in a very easy and natural way. Sometimes learners think grammar is scary or difficult, but honestly, this tense is probably already part of your English without you even noticing it.
That's true. Even beginners use present simple every single day. When you say, I like music, I study English, I work every morning, you're already using it correctly, and that should make learners feel more confident.
Exactly. Confidence is so important. Many learners wait for perfect English before they start speaking. But honestly, perfect English doesn't exist. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
Oh, absolutely. Native speakers forget words, mix sentences, and change grammar in casual conversations all the time. Communication is the real goal.
Right. If people understand you, that's already success. Grammar simply helps your message become clearer and smoother.
And present simple is one of the best tools for everyday communication. Imagine you meet someone for the first time. You immediately start asking present simple questions. Where do you live? What do you do? Do you like sports? What music do you listen to?
That's such a good point. These questions appear in almost every real conversation. Even small talk uses present simple constantly.
Exactly. Like when people talk at work. How do you usually get here? What time does the meeting start? Do you drink coffee? Where does your manager work?
Or at school, which subjects do you like? Does your teacher give homework every day? Do your classmates speak English?
Or even at home. My father watches the news every night. My sister studies in her room. My mother cooks amazing food. My little brother plays video.
That one is true for me too. I love spicy food, especially late at night. Sometimes I tell myself, don't eat spicy noodles at midnight. But then I still do it.
Same here. And look at that sentence. I love spicy food. That's also present simple because it shows a general feeling or preference.
Exactly. We use present simple for habits and routines too. Listen to these examples carefully. I brush my teeth every morning. My father reads the newspaper every day. Sarah drinks tea at night. The train leaves at 8 p.m.
Now let's give listeners a quick challenge. Can you make a sentence about your daily routine? Maybe, I study English at night. Or, I work in an office.
Yes! Write one sentence in the comments. Don't worry about perfection. Just try. Now let's talk about negative sentences. This part is very important.
Right. For negative sentences, we use do not or does not.
Or the contractions. Don't and doesn't. Exactly. Listen carefully. I don't like cold weather. They don't watch horror movies. He doesn't eat meat. She doesn't. All right, let's begin with the basic structure of the present simple tense. The good news is that it's actually very easy. The basic formula is subject plus verb plus object.
Yes! For example, I drink coffee. She plays tennis. They study English. We watch movies.
Very simple, right? But there's one important thing learners need to remember. When we use he, she, or it, we usually add s or es to the verb.
Exactly! Listen carefully. I work. You work. They work. But he works. She works.
Let's practice with some everyday sentences.
Sure.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
She eats breakfast at home.
They go to school by bus.
He watches TV after dinner.
We play football on weekends.
My brother likes.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Simple English Talks. We're so happy you're spending your time with us today. I hope your day's going well, and I hope you're ready to improve your English in a fun and simple way. You know, I always get excited when we make these episodes because we imagine learners from all around the world listening, practicing, and slowly becoming more confident in English every single day.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Honestly, today's topic is one of the most important grammar topics in English. If you understand today's lesson well, your English conversations will become smoother, clearer, and much more natural. And the best part is that today's grammar is something native speakers use every single day without even thinking about it.
That's so true. Today, we're talking about the present simple tense. And wow, this tense is everywhere. We use it when we talk about daily routines, habits, feelings, facts, schedules, likes, dislikes, work, school, and so much more. Even beginners can start using it immediately.
Exactly. And today we're going to practice more than 60 present simple sentences together. We'll explain everything slowly and clearly, and we'll also give you many examples from real life. Not textbook life, real life.
Yes, because honestly, many learners study grammar rules for years, but they still don't feel comfortable speaking. So today we want to make grammar feel natural and friendly. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to make positive sentences, negative sentences, and questions in the present simple tense.
And we also want you to participate with us. Don't just listen silently. Try to repeat the sentences out loud. Practice your pronunciation, practice your confidence. And tell us in the comments, what do you usually do every morning?
Ooh, that's a good question. I usually wake up early, drink coffee, and check my phone immediately. I know that's a bad habit, but I still do it.
Oh, wow, I'm completely different. I don't check my phone in the morning. I stretch, open the windows, and listen to music first. See? Those are already present simple sentences.
Exactly. This grammar is everywhere around us. And before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Simple English Talks, and share this episode with your friends who are learning English too.
All right, everyone, grab your notebook, relax, and let's start learning present simple